Hello and good morning everyone. I'm Angel Faith F. Velasco, your reporter. So we will going to discuss the Israel policing system. So what is Israel policing system? Israel policing system is a unique national force. Why? Kasi hindi kagaya ng ibang bansa na may kombinasyon ng national, regional at municipal police force ang Israel because they are centralized structure under the authority of Ministry of National Security. The Israel Police organized geographically into 6 regional districts and 13 sub-districts and delivering services through 67 local police stations. Next is their logo. As you can see, the logo of Israel Police is a blue shield with a white Magen David in the center. So, what is Magen David? Ang Magen David ay tinatawag na Star of David. Bakit ito tinawag na Star of David? Because year 1948, pinili ang simbolong Star of David para pagkilala sa pamana ng Judaismo at kumakatawan din ito sa pagkakaisa ng mamamayan ng Israel. The shield represent protection and security, while the Star of David symbolize the Jewish people and their connection to Israel. And their motto is, I will pursue my enemy and overtake them, and I will not return until I have destroyed them. Overview of Israel. So, ano ang tinatopic nating country? Siyempre, Israel. Ang tawag sa police agency nila is Israel Police. At ang department naman nila is Ministry of National Security. Ang pinakamataas na rank nila is Commissioner and pinakamababa is Constable. Ang type of law enforcement nila ay centralized country. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, wala silang combination ng national, regional at municipal. Nag-undergo lang sila sa authority of the Ministry of National Security. At ang estimated strength nila is 35,000 paid officers and around 70,000 volunteer officers in the Civil Guard as of 2020. So, sa history naman tayo ng Israel. The Israel Police was established in 1948. It is responsible for public security, maintaining public order, securing public event and rallies. Nakagaya din sa Pilipinas. Ang ginagawa ng mga pulis natin dito sa Pilipinas, gaya din ng ginagawa sa Israel. Ganun din. Law enforcement, crime fighting, detective work, covert operation against drug network, handling youth violence education campaign, civil guard, operating the civil guard, handling civilian complaints. Ganun din ang mga ginagawa ng police sa Israel. So, early year 1948 to 1967, nation building and adaptation. This period saw the development of foundational structure and operational procedure. Many of these were adapted from the pre-state Palestine police force under the British mandate. Dahil sa maraming hamon na kinakarap ng Israel Police noong 1953, itinatag ang Israel Border Police na siya responsible for tasks with the border security and maintaining order in rural areas. Organizational structure and jurisdiction. This centralized structure facilitates coordinate responses to large-scale incident and national security threats. However, this has also been source of criticism, particularly concerning accountability and transparency. Unlike many countries with municipal or regional forces, Israel has a single national police force. Over time, the Israel police developed specialized units such as Yamam. Yamam is a counterterrorism and hostage rescue unit. Yasam ang tawag sa mga riot police at crowd control police. At Lahab naman ang tawag sa isang unit para sa investigation of serious crime and corruption. Yan ang mga tawag ng Israeli sa mga iba't ibang police nila sa Israel. The history of Israel police reflect Israel's own history, one marked by constant challenges and adaptation. Early accounts indicate that in 1986, the force comprised 20,874 personnel responsible for crime prevention and detection, apprehending suspect, maintaining order, and traffic control. Since 1974, internal security, particularly counterterrorism and border infiltration prevention, has also fallen under its purview. The modern era and ongoing evolution. The Israel police continues to adapt to the evolving security landscape, employing advanced technology and specialized training to combat crime and terrorism. Yon ang ginagawa nila ngayon at patuloy na ini-improve sa paglipas ng maraming taon. So, dito naman tayo sa rank and insignia ng Israel Police. So, sabi ko nga kanina, ang pinakamataas na rank ng Israel is Commissioner. At ang current Commissioner ngayon ng Israel is si Danny Levy, who previously served as the Deputy Commissioner and Chief of the Coastal District. Pinakamababa naman nilang rank is Constable. Dito makikita natin yung mga rank and insignia nila. Ito yung mga rank ng mga enlisted. Constable, Corporal, Sergeant, Staff Sergeant, Sergeant First Class, Master Sergeant, First Sergeant, Sergeant Major, Command Sergeant Major. Tapos dito man tayo sa may rank nila. Shatter, Rab Shatter, Samal Heni, Samal Rishon, Rab Samal Rishon, Rab Samal Kadem, Rab Samal Bakhir, and last, Rav Nagad. So, dito naman tayo sa rank ng mga officer sa Israel. We have Sub-Inspector, Inspector, Chief Inspector, Superintendent, Chief Superintendent, Commander, Assistant Commissioner, Deputy Commissioner, at ang pinakamataas, Commissioner.
Hello everyone, I am Florence Victor S. Valdez, the second reporter. So I'm going to discuss the recruitment and selection of PNP in Israel. First, must be a Israel citizen. Second, 18 or 29 years old. Number 3, no criminal records or pending criminal cases. Number 4, original certificates of education. Number 5, fingerprint and saliva sample. Number 6, candidate's background. Number 7, health certificate. Number 8, official certificate of discharge. Number 9, physical fitness test. Number 10, security officer talk. Number 11, psychotechnical test. And last, attitude test. Other details of PNP in Israel. Regional districts. The country is divided into several regional districts, each with its own command structure. Operational units. Specialized units such as the Border Police Magab, responsible for border security and operation in volatile areas. The Yaman, an elite counter-terrorism and hostage rescue unit, and the Yasam, a riot control and counter-terrorism unit, are key components. Other specialized units include those focused on traffic enforcement, bomb disposal, forensic, and intelligence gathering. Headquarters unit. This handle administrative, logistical, and support function. The country is divided into 4 police districts, which are divided in sub-district and stations. The patrol arm of the INP is responsible for public peace and security, law enforcement, crime prevention, and public order. The INP, together with the Israel Defense Force, acts as Israel Coast Guard. The Israel Police operate with a sense of mission to provide personal and public security to the citizen and resident of the country, and to improve their quality of life while enforcing the rule of law. Equipment and weapons. Officer carry handguns and patrol cars are equipped with rifles. This type of weaponry varies depending on the unit and role, with specialized units having access to more advanced equipment. Best practices of PNP in Israel: addressing systematic biases, continuously evaluating and addressing potential biases in policing practices to ensure equitable treatment for all citizens. Strength gathering community engagement, developing more robust community policing program that foster trust and collaboration. Adapting to evolving threats, continuously adapting strategies to address emerging challenges including advancement and changing crime patterns. Focus deterrence and crime prevention, community partnerships. Building strong relationship with community members and organizations is essential for effective focus deterrence. Strategic resource allocation. Focus deterrence requires a strategic realignment of police resources to prioritize high-risk areas and individuals. Early prevention and interdiction. Proactive intelligence gathering and analysis to identify and disrupt terrorist plots before they materialize. Effective response to attacks. Minimizing casualties and damage during attacks, including specialized training for hostage situations. Post-attack crisis management, efficient coordination of emergency services, and restoration of normalcy to affected areas. And this is the uniform of Israel Police. Sa unang picture, makikita natin ang iba't ibang part ng Israel Police uniform. Sa pangalawang picture naman, makikita natin ang naka-full battle gear ng mga police na laging tumutulong upang sa mga drug trade and hostage taking. Pangatlo naman, ang babae ay naka full battle gear din. Sila ay ginagamit sa mga urban welfare na labanan. Sa last na picture naman, makikita natin ang tatlong lalaki na nakasandal sa patrol car upang ma-prevent ang crime at mag-conduct ng mga checkpoint. At ito naman ang mga weapons ng mga Israel. Una, M1 carbine of Mashas. Number 2, Remington 700 PSS sniper rifle. Number 3, Jericho 941 F handgun. Ang M1 carbine also is standard issued with weapon of Mashas sa civil guard. Ginagamit ito sa mga civil guard. M1 carbine modernized M1 carbine with folding stock. M1 carbine bullpup micro Galil 5.56mm submachine gun. At ang Remington 700 PSS naman ay ginagamit sa mga long range na barilan. Meron din itong Remington 700P, Mauser SP66 and Mauser SR86. Mauser K98 ay ginagamit sa civil guard. Ang M4 rifle naman ginagamit sa Israel Border Police. At ang Galatz or Galilee Tizlafim Galilee sniper version. At ang Jericho 941 handgun naman ay ginagamit sa mga close range na barilan. Meron din itong IMI Jericho 941, Beretta 71.22 LR, Browning High Power at Glock 17. Ito naman ang mga equipment ng pulis sa Israel. Gaya ng mga pulis sa ibang bansa, meron din patrol cars ang mga Israel. Ito ay ginagamit nila upang mag-conduct ng mga checkpoint at mga patrol sa mga area ng mga Israel, lalo na sa Jerusalem. At ito naman ang Israeli police boat on the Sea of Galilee. Ito ay ginagamit nila sa mga dagat upang prevent ng crime at mahuli ang gumagawa ng mga krimen sa karagatan. At ito naman ang Israeli Police Bell 206 helicopter.
Trivia about Israel Police. The Israel Police was founded in 1920, making it one of the oldest police force in the Middle East. The Israel Police is responsible for maintaining law and order throughout the country, including Jerusalem, which is a complex and sensitive area. The Israel Police has a unique structure with different units specializing in various areas such as counterterrorism, border security, and cybercrime. The Israel Police is known for its use of advanced technology including drones, facial recognition, software, and sophisticated surveillance system. The Israel Police has faced challenges in recent years including rising crime rates, terrorism threats, and social unrest. Those are just a few interesting facts about the Israel Police. Thank you for listening and Padayon Future Enforcers.